Hi in Yahweh. This song is, I really don't know the title, but it was written by one of my teachers in high school. May he rest in peace. His name is Wadley Earl, and I would like to dedicate this song to him. His own song that I taught myself how to play, and hopefully I play it right and sing it right. And if you're my high school classmates, you might know this song. So feel free to duet it or share it. It's up to you in honor of you. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy it. And especially you, Wadley. I hope I'm not a knucklehead. There's a place out in the ocean. It's a place not many know. It's a place named Marshall. It's a place of peace and love. There's a place out in the ocean. It's a place not many know. It's a place named Marshall Island. It's a place of peace and love. If it should travel the ocean, you should be sure to stop by. People are happy and friendly under the beautiful sky. If you should travel the ocean, you should be sure to stop by. People are happy and friendly under the beautiful sky. There's a place out in the ocean. It's a place not many know. It's a place named Marshall.